Alright, this is another update. So this is complete. I fixed it today. The main problem is the spinning disc is cracked, so I put crazy glue on it and get some pliers, and you know those metal strings, I just call it, or metal rods, I, and I twist it and make sure it is tight so it won't get loosed or something, and it actually works. So and and then the other thing I had to do is to replace the wires in the motor, because the motor wire is deteriorated now. I replaced it with more resistant wires, and the motor I had to grease up too. And no, yeah, yeah, no, don't listen to what I say. um the motor was actually dead. Yes. This is the original motor. Yeah. And I replaced that motor, and it fully works now, so give it a shot. Yep, there's the one. Return no good. But now I'm gonna return it to my boss and I'm gonna get paid. So I'm working on the second one, so I just replace a resistor, and I'm gonna wire all up and see what works. So yeah, that's my new update. So yeah, see you guys soon.